Rajasthan School of Law for Women, Jaipur. Our vision is to learn to live with a purpose, to advance human dignity, social welfare, and justice, to develop leaders for life through a unique learning environment. And on these lines, the mission is to achieve excellence in creating and educating professionals. Rajasthan School of Law has been set up by Kanoria Girls College Trust in 2018. This new initiative of the trust caters to the requirements of legal profession. It is centrally located law college solely for women. The innovative teaching and learning methods by experienced and versatile teaching faculty provide ample opportunities to strengthen core foundation of legal subjects. For better comfort and convenience, there is in-campus hostel facility. Students can access language lab or avail online legal research services and resourceful library. The college incandescently orchestrates various guest lectures, regular seminars, competitions such as moot courts, reader rafting, PPT presentation, parley national debates, extempore, and never fails to celebrate occasions like the importance of yoga, promoting cultural activities, Sports Day, Environment Day by Plantation Program, World Human Rights Day, and the list continues. Our prime objective is to produce professional lawyers with operative, substantive, and procedural legal skills. The college inculcates leadership, good citizenry, and social values for nation building. For better learning and participation of students, the college has crafted various clubs and committees: IPR Club, Oratory Club, Constitutional Law Club, Moot Court Club, Social Legal Review Club, awareness programs under Legal Aid Club are to name a few. And the committee constitutes Student Grievance Redressal Committee, Anti-Ragging Committee, and Sexual Harassment Committee. The students of our college have not only once but on several occasions have proved their college's dictum.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashara Menon from Rajasthan School of Law for Women, pursuing BA LLB integrated course, and I am currently in the third year of this college. I am the student of first batch of this college, and after my batch we had the full admissions. Rajasthan School of Law for Women has provided the best learning exposure to all the students, as our hard-working teachers have strived their best to provide knowledge and learning to all the students individually. We have the facility of library where we are able to inculcate and gain the theoretical knowledge in a better way. Rajasthan School of Law for Women has also organized various competitions such as moot court competitions, debate competitions, extempores, so that students could inculcate and gain the additional skills in them. Rajasthan School of Law for Women has also, we have various clubs in it, where we have the moot court club, the book review club, the internship club, etc. So that every student has the motivation to participate in the extracurricular activities and which could help them to groom their personality. Our college has also organized various visits for students to various conferences and moot court competitions so that they could explore their field of learning. No professional degree such as law is complete without the practical knowledge. So to gain the practical knowledge, our college also provide the best internship opportunities to legal firms and NGOs. Through this college, I have gained the better personality and have grown myself in a better way. Thank you.
Greetings to all. My name is Mitsu. I'm a second year law student at Rajasthan School of Law for Women. The education and study pattern of our college is like we have regular classes with a mandate of 75% compulsory attendance, along with module system for each semester. Module system is a set of 7 tests per subject. These tests are a great encouragement and boost our morale and duly prepare us for the final exam. Apart from these, we have guest lectures on various important legal and research related topics which give us an out-of-the-box knowledge. More or less, these lectures are planned by college in such a way that they provide this theoretical as well as practical knowledge about the subject matter. Thank you.
I'm Neha Chasuja, presently pursuing BA LLB 5-year integrated law course from Rajasthan School of Law for Women, Jaipur. I'm currently holding the position of firstly General Secretary in Association of Indian Students, secondly member in Young ICCA, thirdly intern in Rajasthan Education Trust, and fourthly PR manager in Frank Creations. Now I would like to state few points about my college. Firstly, the college has helped me to inculcate all-round development skills. Secondly, the innovative teaching and learning methods provides the ample opportunity to strengthen core foundation of legal subjects and practical knowledge of legal process. The professors of our college has always aimed at furnishing skills, and it has helped me a lot to build up knowledge and experience. Fourthly, it is an honor to be a part of Rajasthan School of Law for Women, Jaipur. Thank you.
Greetings to all of you. I am Anita Kaushik, mother of Srishti Kaushik. She is currently doing a 5 years integrated course from the Rajasthan School of Law for Women, Jaipur. When my daughter passed out from the school, and I wanted to put her in the best law college of Jaipur. Like all parents, I was in a state of dilemma where to put her. Then I consulted many legal professionals I knew, and they all suggested me that I must put my daughter in the Rajasthan School of Law for Women. And I think I definitely made the right choice that time. I'm very happy that my daughter is pursuing her degree there in the college. I remember that was the initial period of the college, and over a very short time the college has blossomed into a center of excellence, committed to inculcate critical thinking in the students, and so as to produce skilled law professionals. And I feel that this credit goes definitely to the law principal ma'am and the dedicated staff of the college who have constantly worked very hard with the students. Personally, I believe that the best thing about the college is the way the college has provided personal mentoring to all the students to enhance their potential and bring out the best in them.
Good afternoon, everyone. I, Purnima Gautam, working as an assistant professor at Rajasthan School of Law for Women. Being a part of the college as a faculty member, it has been an empowering experience so far. I have been working with the college for over 3 years. The college is committed to imparting the very best education to its students and engaging them in experiential learning. The college has enriched my teaching experience by bringing together a group of versatile faculty members having diverse expertise. The college also helped me and other staff members by promoting them to participate in various faculty development program, orientation program, refresher courses, conference and seminars in order to enhance my academic skills. The working atmosphere at our college is excellent. We work together like a family in order to translate the vision of college into reality. The academic atmosphere at our college helps me to deliver my best. It's my privilege and pleasure to work with such an outstanding institution. Thank you.
Kanodiya Girls College Trust established Rajasthan School of Law for Women in the year 2018, and with a span of 3 years, 100% result and 100% admission every year is the proof of hard work of dedicated faculty. We at Rajasthan School of Law for Women try to inculcate all the qualities of good lawyers in the students through moot courts, MUN, symposiums, seminars, conferences, workshops, and many more things like this. Every year, with a batch of new students, we always bring few new ideas and try to introduce something